Today, I'm showing you how to turn on your phone's flashlight using voice commands on Android so you can control your torch hands-free. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Google Assistant. Step 1. Enable Google Assistant. First, make sure Google Assistant is enabled on your device. Open Settings, then look for an option related to Google. Usually it's named Google. Tap on Google, then All Services, and scroll down until you find Assistant. Tap Search, Assistant, and Voice. Tap Google Assistant and make sure it's turned on. Step 2. Set up Voice Match. In Google Assistant settings, tap on Hey Google and Voice Match, or just Voice Match. Toggle on Hey Google so your phone listens for the activation phrase. Step 3. Train Voice Model. Follow the on-screen instructions to teach Google Assistant to recognize your voice by saying Hey Google or OK Google several times. Step 4. Use Voice Command to turn on the flashlight. Now you're ready. Simply say, Hey Google, turn on the flashlight, or OK Google, turn on the torch. Your phone's flashlight will turn on immediately without touching anything. Step 5. Turn off with voice. To turn it off, say, Hey Google, turn off the flashlight, or OK Google, turn off the torch. The flashlight turns off instantly. Alternative voice commands. You can also use these variations. Hey Google, flashlight on. OK Google, enable flashlight. Hey Google, turn on my torch, or OK Google, switch on the light. Battery consideration. While voice activation is convenient, keeping Google Assistant or Bixby always listening uses some battery. If battery life is a concern, you can disable Hey Google detection and manually activate Assistant by long pressing the Home button before giving commands. And that's it. You can now control your phone's flashlight completely hands-free using just your voice. No more fumbling with buttons in the dark.